Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony. Today, we're gonna decorate cookies! Yay! Since Halloween is coming up, that's right, it's now October. I thought it'd be super fun to decorate Halloween-themed cookies. Look, there's a ghost, a bat, he's so cute, a kitty cat, and a jack-o'-lantern. This is gonna be so much fun. Look, we have 2 different types of sprinkles that are in Halloween-themed colors. We also have Halloween icing, black, orange, and white. All right, which cookie should I make first? How about the ghost? I'm gonna use the black icing. Now the white. Look at my ghost! Isn't he cute?
Wow!
Let's do one more. How about the bat? Wow, look at that! We have our bat and our ghost. That was so fun. Thank you so much for decorating with me. What are you gonna be for Halloween? I think I'm gonna be a kitty cat. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.